Happy Sunday. I'm First Alert Meteorologist Trevor Gibbs. Another hot day, but we will have a higher chance of some late day storms, especially inland today compared to what ended up being a really nice and dry Saturday. We're also tracking the tropics. There is a developing system in the Gulf becoming more likely to become our next named system, which we'll talk about in just a moment. But for today, temperatures will quickly rise through the 90s. It's going to be another summertime day with 93 degrees by 2 o'clock, mid 90s this afternoon. And we will be watching a band of some storms come in from the south by the mid to late afternoon, especially for our inland areas. And so that might cap temperatures a little bit across inland North Florida. Hotter temperatures north of there where you're likely to see more dry time. So middle 90s today. It's going to be another hot one, so make sure you take it easy as you spend time outside. All dry through noon. We'll see partly cloudy skies develop. Temperatures will rise through the 90s. Here's 5 p.m. Some of that shower and storm activity just outside of our area working its way in later this evening. So this is near sunset at 8 p.m. Likely seeing a few areas of rain with embedded storms, and one or two of those storms could pack a punch with heavy rain, lightning, and gusty winds. And that's for especially the southwestern half of our area. The northeastern half of our area likely to not see much today yet again. And then we'll be seeing that activity fade later into the evening. Tomorrow, a lot of dry time as well for your Monday. Back to the upper 80s and low 90s by the middle of the day with some widely scattered showers and storms in the afternoon, but a lot of dry time for your Monday as well. Beaches, a good place to be today to beat the heat, get some cooling in the water, but the water's not that cool. It's going to be in the 80s, so relative to the air, it'll feel good. Low tide at Jacksonville Beach, 6:37 this morning. High tide at around 12:52. Now in the tropics, we continue to watch an area of low pressure that has formed in the eastern Gulf, and there is a higher chance that this becomes our next tropical system as it moves away from the Florida Peninsula. So that means it moves away from us as this takes it more towards the central Gulf Coast over the next few days. So certainly want to keep close tabs on the system if you live in the central Gulf Coast, but for our local area, this is not a concern. The next name on the list this year is Bertha, and you can see our spaghetti models lift it slowly but surely to the north and northwest, and then perhaps even a path farther to the west, and Texas could even be in play later into the week. Your 7-day forecast has your weekend always in view. There is a chance of rain each and every day, but that does not mean you'll see rain every day. There will be a lot of dry hours mixed in. Temperatures stay plenty hot with highs in the 90s every single day, and low temperatures in the mornings quite warm in the 70s.